Save our neighborhood and streets. Father has
Cares. Save our neighborhoods and streets.
Here am I will give all that is mine. But here am I,
Save our
Neighborhoods
and streets because the Father cares.
here am I, Jesus, come and spend my life.
Hello, this is Tyrone Burrell, the Executive Director of Sons. All of this is because the Father cares. We've been around since 1992, so we're going on our 25th year. We try to reach kids in every way possible, and as you'll see through some of these pictures, we reach out in all kind of ways in all different locations. Paul said, I become all things to all men so that I can win some. So we're out trying to reach every young person in Port Huron and the St. Clair County area with the good news of Jesus Christ. We'd like to see disciples made. So all these programs is just a methodology to get relationships with kids that we can lead them into that core group of really having a vital relationship with Jesus Christ. So all these things we've done for over 25 years for the same reason, because the Father cares. We can't do it alone, but we can do it with your help, your partnership, and your prayers. We thank you. Hey, God bless in Jesus' name.